Hello out there in YouTube land. You're going to have to forgive me here. Every time I try to add a new light to make this better, I still get shadowing, and now it seems like I've made it worse, doesn't it? So, let's just go ahead and get into it. Welding rig. Let's get that over with and done with real quick. Welding rig that we built has been won by Colby Ramsey. Brother, I need you to get a hold of me because for some reason I'm having a hard time getting a hold of you. So, Colby Ramsey, get a hold of me, brother. I got a truck for you. All right, that being said, thanks you guys for helping me get to the 1,000 subscribers, and hopefully we start seeing a little bit of cash out of this so I can start buying some better trucks. All right, so let's start off with one dually I've been working on for a while. This one I color matched the grill, or I color matched all the chrome really. Went and painted the rims white, put in a white toolbox. Oh, look at there, I forgot to paint the lights on the back rack, but I put in a white back rack and a matching toolbox. So I think that turned out pretty good. Once we get the taillights painted on here, I'll get this truck listed and you guys can go at it. Got a diesel exhaust tip on here. This truck turned out pretty good. I got a little bit of white paint there on the tire I need to wipe off. Put some M2 wheels and tires on it. Actually, I think these wheels are original to the truck. The tires are M2 tires. This is an Ertl truck, 3500 Ram. I've built a few of these already. This is the first one that I did all white and painted out the chrome and tried to color match it. So I don't think it turned out that bad. So we just got to do a little bit of touch up there. So I got a question for you guys. Let me know in the comments. When you guys are sitting around, you're working on trucks, what do you guys do? You listen to music? You watch TV? What do you do? Just curious. This, let me show you the first one. This is my Yellowstone Dutton Ranch Dodge Ram that I picked up the other day. Actually, I got two of them, as you just seen. It came with the rack in the back already, so that was pretty cool. Came with a real nice wraparound push bar, which I really like that. I'm probably going to yank this off of this truck and put it on something else since I have two of them now. So shortly after I got the truck, I had to modify it. So we're still working on it. This is a truck in progress here. I put some M2 tires on it. I left the original wheels that were on the tires, or I'm sorry, the rims that were on there. I left those and just put some M2 tires on it. Had to widen the back a little bit to make the new tires fit. I have plans. We're going to put a diesel exhaust tip on this. It's actually over there painted. I just haven't put it on yet. And then this truck is going to be ready to roll down the road. And I also took the decals off the side doors. Thought that made it look a little better. So this one's going to be available here real soon as I get the diesel exhaust tip put on it. Next up, this is a truck that I bought the other day. I haven't done anything with it yet. I just bought it just because it was the first orange one that I saw out in the wild. I like these chrome grab bar handles on the side, but I've never had any luck getting these off and trying to reuse them. So they'll probably just stay on this truck. I don't know what we'll do with it. Here is let's save those for last. Here is another green light Ford that I built. Added some tires and wheels. Put a push bar on the front. Added a toolbox in the back. Those two things you see laying in the bed, those are the mirrors that are going to go on it. And then I'm also going to put dual exhaust tips on the back of this one, like I did the next one I'm about to show you. Then we'll get another tow hitch on there, and this baby will be ready to roll down the road. I think it looks good with that push bar on these Fords. Those M2 push bars work pretty good as long as you got a flat front end, and these 79 Fords have the flat front end, so that helps a lot. Next one we built. This is another truck from Yellowstone, the Dutton Ranch series. And let's see, well, that's not the original. Start off with the original. just low and, you know, regular stock ride height, little regular tires. I really, really like the detail that they put in these trucks, the way they weathered them. A lot of them, they do the roof and everything else, but they always skip out on the bed. And Greenlight did the bed on this one. I think it looks pretty good. Did a little bit of rust paint around the side, and then on the other side, they changed the fender. I thought that looked pretty good. So that Greenlight did a good job on that truck. You know, another work in progress. So what I did to it is put some M2 wheels and tires on it. We jacked it up a little bit. Put some mirrors on there. These came off of a 19 F350 dually. You see the other side, got the painted fender. And then I went a step further and I put dual exhaust tips on this one. So I think that looks pretty sweet. So I really like this truck. I have ordered, I think I ended up with 5 of these now. So we're going to do something different with some of the other ones. So that's what I got with this one, guys. I think this one turned out real good. I considered putting a push bar on this one, but I figured that was good enough. I did enough to this one. It looks pretty sweet. Okay. Now let's start with a little one first. Let me dump it out because I got a bunch of crap in the bed. These trucks are good. They make good little holders. So this is my 92 Dodge Ram. I believe this is the, what is this one? The Expedition Frontier. Sorry guys, I can't read it right now and I'm drawing a blank. Y'all have seen this truck. You know what it is. Tradesman. Something along the line. Frontier. I can't read it. I'm sorry. Here, zoom in on that. You ain't gonna read it either. But anyway, I'll think of it after the video's done. That's just the way I am. This is a real nice truck. I'm not sure if these are like a D100 or whatever. I would assume that this one is. But the other one that I have that I'm going to show you here in a minute, that one's got a nick on it. They don't say if they're a 100, 200, 300, whatever. So we're going to have to figure that out. But this is a nice little truck. The name of it's right on the tip of my tongue. I can't think of it. I'm going to quit because I'm going to drag this video out longer than it has to be. They did a nice paint job on this truck. Did a nice grill on it. You see the other ones, the grills are different on those. I don't know if that means they're different years. I think the other ones say they're 92 also. But this the first. This one does not say it was the first gen Ram or Dodge Ram that came out. First gen dually, whatever, Dodge diesel. Sorry, drawing a blank on all that stuff. This one I just got from my local hobby dealer. I've gotten 2 of them from him so far. So this is the one that I already have out of the package. Okay, the next one I'm going to show you is another two-tone gray, silver. I don't know what you want to call that. I think silver with gray, charcoal gray stripe. As you can see, this one's got a different front end. I believe that they both say that they're... This one also says it's a 92 Dodge Ram, but you can see we have two different grills that they're using in these trucks. I really like this one. I like the color. I always like that charcoal gray silver look. Again, this one is another stock one. If I had to guess, I would say this is a 100 also. Maybe a 200, but I doubt it. They didn't do anything real special with it, but they did a nice job on the paint. I remember seeing a few of these growing up. Well, not growing up, but when I was younger. How's that work? Like I said, I really like the grill on this one a little better than the other one. Looks pretty good. The tailgate looks pretty good. They did a nice job on that. Here is the one you might have been waiting for. This one is another one of the first gen Rams. And this one happens to come with a diesel tip, diesel exhaust sticking up out of the bed. And it also come with weights on the front. This one they put a lift kit on, so that makes that a little nicer. This raises it up a little more than the other one. They put bigger wheels and tires on it, which makes it nice. I will tell you now, that's not staying on there. That's die cut. I know it's plastic, but it does not want to come off. You wait. That next time you see this truck, that won't be on there. What I really like about this truck is they put that drop hitch on there. That's the first one I've seen with a drop hitch. I would like to find more of these. So we'll see about finding more. But this truck is going for a very high price on the internet right now. I have a dealer on the internet that I deal with a lot, and I got him to come down on this truck a little bit, but not a whole lot. So these trucks are expensive. So is the other silver one. I'm guessing it's because they're the first gen trucks is why they are so expensive. But other than that, that's what we got, guys and gals. Again, Colby Ramsey, brother, you need to get a hold of me so we can get this truck shipped to you. And the rest of you, y'all keep watching. We'll keep putting out some new trucks, and hopefully we'll get something better coming along. Y'all have a good day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, share a video if you like it. Y'all have a good day. Bye.